one of the ways that we connect our hard work and craftsmanship into success in the classrooms. We've targeted these 6 schools through our framework for enhancing student learning, and these are schools that where the students can benefit most from this type of support. This is work that we're very proud of. We put our skills into practice every day, and we support the student-facing staff, and we're proud of the work we do. Of course, we're not the ones that are, flipping pancakes and literally feeding the students, but none of it could happen without our support. So it brings a lot of joy to our tradespeople. We put our skills to work, we build value into the schools, and we all working together for student success in the classroom.